Unit 4, Lesson 3, Practice Problems number 7. A family has a monthly budget of $2,400. How much money is spent on each category? 44% is spent on housing, 23% is spent on food, 6% is spent on clothing, 17% is spent on transportation. The rest is put into savings. Alrighty, we got a family budget. Budget is money, and we're looking at percents. 2,400 is 100% of the budget. We can find 1%. Whoops. 1% is going to help us to find all the other percents. So remember that in order to find 100% of anything, we just divide by 100. Sorry, to find 1% of anything, you divide by 100. 2,400 divided by 100. You take this imaginary decimal point and you move it over 2 spaces to the left because there are 2 zeros. 1, 2. Now we have 24. 1% is 24. Now, to find all the others, we need to do some multiplication. We're trying to find 44%. 1 times 44 is 44%, which means we have to do 24 divided by 24 times 44. We're going to do the standard algorithm. 24 times 44. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 2 is 8. We add the 1 to get 9. We add a 0 because we're doing 40 times 4. 4 times 4 is 16 again. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 1 is 9. We add these up. We get 6 plus 0 is 6. 9 plus 6 is 15. 9 plus 1 is 10. We get $1,056 is 44%. The next one is 23%. We're going to start with the 1. Whoops. Start with the 1 in order to get to 23. We're going to multiply by 23. Multiply by 23. So we have 24 times 23. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. Put a 0 down here. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 2 is 4. We add them up and we get 2 plus 0 is 2. 7 and 8 is 15. 4 and 1 is 5. We get $552 is 23%. Now we are looking for 6%. Whoops, we got to start up at the 1. Times 6 is 6%. Times 6 is 24 times 6. Make us some space. 24 times 6. We use 6 times 4 is 24. 6 times 2 is 12. Plus 2 is 14. We get $144. And the last percent we have is 17. Times 17 gets us 17%. Sorry, that's an ugly 17. Which means we also have to multiply this one by 17. $24 times 17. 7 times 4 is 28. 7 times 2 is 14, plus 2 more is 16. We put a 0. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 2 is 2. We add these up. 8 and 0 is 8. 6 and 4 is 10. 2 and 2 is 4. 408. So now we found 1%. We use that to find 44% and 23% and 6% and 17%. The last thing says the rest is put into savings. So this is all the money that they spent on housing and food and clothing and transportation. We need to find what all of that is. So we have 1,056. We have 552. We have 144. We have 408. We need this total to see all of the money that they spent. 6 and 4 is 2. Sorry, 6 and 4 is 10. 8 and 2 is also 10. 10 and 10 is 20. 5 and 5 is 10. 4 and 2 is 6. 10 and 6 is 16. 5 and 1 is 6. 6 and 4 is 10. 10 and 1 is 11. 1 and 1 is 2. This is all the money that they spent. Everything else goes into savings. So if this is our budget, 2,400, and we subtract what we spent, we'll find out how much was put into savings. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 take away 6 you can't do, so we have to regroup. This becomes 3. This becomes 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. So the rest is $240. And it is put into savings. So these are our solutions. $1,056, $552, $144, $408, and the rest is $240.